guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to create a sunset cut crease. So this is what I came up with, and this is my take on a sunset cut crease. I actually really love how it came out. So if you want to see how I achieve this look right here, then you know what to do and just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Creamsicle, and I'm going to go in with this B Bella and G329 brush and start applying this to the crease. And I am going to apply the shade pretty high, as you can see in this eye. I brought it up really high. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that into the crease and flick it out. Since it is going to be a cut crease, I want to make sure I get that elongated effect. And I want to make sure I apply this color really heavily, just because when we go in and apply the other shades, as you guys can see, it's still there, but it's not really there, if that makes sense. But I just want to make sure I apply this color really heavily. And then the next brush that I'm going to go in with is this B Bella NG341 brush. And I'm not sure what color it is because I don't have like the little paper, and I don't want to pick it up because one of the shades is broken. But it's like that intense orange shade. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that. And then I'm going to apply this one directly underneath that shadow and a little bit above my natural crease. And then again, just flicking it out. I'm just making sure these colors are going to be really pigmented. And the reason why I'm applying it above my crease is because I cut my crease on this eye higher than I normally would and higher than my natural crease. So I want to go ahead and apply the colors higher, so that way when I have my eyes open, you guys are still able to see that nice effect. So as you can see, that color intensified that look a lot. And then just going back in with that first brush, and I'm just going to make sure I blend those two out, just because I don't want no harsh edges. Just going to go back in with a little bit more of Creamsicle. I swear Creamsicle is like the perfect transition shade. And then I'm going in with the more kind of pointed brush. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M518 brush. And then going in with the color that's directly under that orange shade. It's like the only bright orange shade that's in that palette. But for this next color, it's going to be the one that's directly under that. It's like a mahogany kind of color. And then again, this one is pretty much going to go in the exact same place that we applied that last color to, just a little bit more below. So that way they're not directly on top of each other, and there was really no point of me putting that last color. So this one's going to go directly under that, again, just to give it that nice effect. And I am tilting my head back, just because it's easier for me to blend out, and it gives me like a flat surface kind of. I'm not blending out like that, and I have like the creases in my eye. And then I'm just going to go back in with that last brush again, just blending it all out. And I'm not the type of girl that, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen other people, but when they do their makeup, they use kind of like one or two brushes for like their entire eye look. And I can't do that because this has a different color than this brush. So if I want to blend it out, I can't use this brush because I use this brush, and I don't like mixing like the colors. So maybe that's just me, but I can't use like the same brush for one look, because I have to go back to my brushes and blend out. So I was going to do my foundation in this video, but I just recently uploaded an updated foundation routine, so I'm pretty sure you guys got the idea. So I'll go ahead and leave that linked down below. And I'm on a time frame right now because I do have to go to work. But I still wanted to get this video up, recorded for you guys, because I just knew it was going to be a fun look to create. And now for the last shade, I'm going to go in with that black. And then I'm going to go in with this B Bella NG344 brush. And then with this one, since it is really pigmented, I'm going to go in with the light hand. But I'm going to apply it to my crease, again, a little bit above my crease. So that way when I cut the crease, just like crease like 3 times, you guys are still able to see that black transition. I'm using a really light hand. And then I'm pretty much just gonna I'm pretty much just gonna blend it back and forth. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with that brush that we used, and I'm gonna get a little bit more of that burgundy shade and just apply that over top of that black just to start to blend out any harsh edges and to diffuse. Okay, so now that we have those colors down, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And then what I'm going to do is just cut my crease, just how you see here. So after I go ahead and I cut that crease, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette. And I'm gonna go in with this white shade right here and on my Morphe M210. And I'm just gonna use that to set the eyelid. Just because in the Jaclyn Hill palette, there's not like a bone kind of color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with eyeliner, and I can't really explain this part, so you guys can just go ahead and see what I'm going to do. This eyeliner is not that good. That's why I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. But if you guys want to know, it's the LA Colors eyeliner. It's like really bad. Not really bad. It's just, I don't know. Now for lashes, I'm going to go ahead and apply these Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai. I swear you guys need to get your hands on these. I get so many compliments all the time when I wear these lashes. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face off of camera. I did my lower lash line. Pretty much what I did to the top, I did to the bottom. And now for lips, I'm going to go in with this iluvsarahii Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade 951. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this entire video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's a little bit more intense, but I wanted to do it more intense just because I know there's some of you out there that like doing intense looks. But I will do natural looks. I feel like I have been doing natural looks. But for the most part, this is the finished look right here. And I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That's pretty much all I have to say, and I'll see you guys on the next one.